Junior clinic, I think. Matthew, right. Right. We're not right there.
Mali ako doon. Pero Matthew Wright. So we'll be seeing Matthew Wright tomorrow at 8 a.m. for our junior clinic. So abangan niyo po yung day 2 namin, guys. And we have our day 1, our one-on-one challenge right now. And tomorrow, we have our 3-on-3 challenge naman.
Guys, open ang ating booth para sa aming mga guests. Kung ano yung gusto. Let's go ahead from the president. Yeah, break, coffee, juice, there's burgers there, there's sandwiches there, there's fries.
We have a lot of variety here. And, parang medyo magsasipasa. Practice.
Kung ano yung vlog niya magiging tagapasa ng practice sa All-Star Dunk Contest eh.
Good job, Tito Francis Lopez.